Today's video topic is how to get rid of a beer belly. A beer belly, also known as abdominal obesity or central obesity, is a condition where excess fat accumulates around the waist and abdomen area, giving a protruding appearance. It is not only aesthetically unpleasing, but it also increases the risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. In this video, we will explore the causes of a beer belly and provide tips on how to get rid of it. Causes of a beer belly. A beer belly is caused by several factors such as 1. Overconsumption of alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol, especially beer, can lead to weight gain as it is high in calories. 2. Sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity and sitting for long hours can cause fat to accumulate around the belly. 3. Poor diet. Consuming a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats can contribute to abdominal obesity. 4. Age. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and our body tends to store more fat. 5. Genetics. Some individuals are predisposed to developing a beer belly due to their genes. Tips on how to get rid of a beer belly. 1. Reduce alcohol consumption. Limiting alcohol intake or switching to low-calorie options can help reduce the calorie intake and prevent further weight gain. 2. Engage in physical activity. Regular exercise can help burn calories, reduce body fat, and strengthen the abdominal muscles. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking or cycling, on most days of the week. 3. Eat a healthy diet. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can help control calorie intake and promote weight loss. 4. Manage stress. High levels of stress can lead to overeating and weight gain. Finding healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or talking to a therapist, can help prevent further weight gain. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, leading to overeating and weight gain. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. 6. Seek medical advice. In some cases, underlying medical conditions such as hormonal imbalances, thyroid disorders, or diabetes may contribute to a beer belly. If lifestyle changes do not yield results, seek medical advice. A beer belly is not only unsightly, but also increases the risk of developing chronic diseases. Lifestyle changes such as reducing alcohol intake, engaging in physical activity, eating a healthy diet, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and seeking medical advice can help get rid of a beer belly and improve overall health. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process, and consistency is key.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.